Play ball.
Sophie, catch.
Take it. Not just looking.
You gonna get it, Soph? You gonna get it?
She just wants to order other people to get it.
Get it. Yay! But there's no one over there, Sophster. Wow.
Put your arms up.
You gonna throw the ball, sweetie?
Yay!
Throw the ball! Yay!
Sophie's gonna throw the ball to you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.